Good morning, students. This is Annapurna ma'am. Came again with a new topic, that is operator precedence. In the last class, we discussed about what operators are. In this class, we discuss about the operator precedence. In Python, it follows the operator precedent from highest to lowest. Like in mathematics, like the BODMAS rule, here in Python, it also follow the BODMAS rule. That is, the highest operator precedence operator to the lowest operator precedent interpret first. This decision is based on the precedence and associativity of the operators as explained below. See, this is an example which gives 24 plus 5 into 4. Like in mathematics, it first manipulates the 5 into 4 that gives 20 and then it adds with the 24 and the result is 44. Right? So, in this also 90 minus 20 minus 12. Here there is an equal precedence. So this time it evaluates right to left. Okay, the difference levels of the precedence are here showing that the lowest and highest one. So an operator belonging highest level of evaluate first. Associativity. If two operators have the same precedence, priority, then they are either evaluate from left to right or from right to left based on their levels. See, here I am explain about the sum of the operators which associative right to left and left to right. Like plus plus minus minus are right to left. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, these are right to left, like this. Here, the BODMAS rule is follows like bracket, here that parenthesis, like exponential, that is double asterisk, as I explained last class. This is the unary operator, that is unary plus and unary minus. Afterwards, multiplication, division, floor division and modulo division. It's not a percentage, just modulo division. Clear? Afterwards, plus and minus, that is binary addition and subtraction, both are equal precedence. And then the logical or relational operators, that is less than equal to, greater than equal to, and at the last, the Boolean or logical operator. The highest precedence is the bracket. Understand? Hope everyone understand this operator precedence or the level of precedence properly by the table. Just go through the table what I have explained here and practice it by putting different examples. Here I am saying that the multiplication and the slash have same precedence, right? You also know about this. But just whenever this type of a situation is coming, that is multiplication and division are coming at a time, that time you have to follow the right to left precedence. Okay, see in this example, 12 plus 3 multiplication 4 minus 6 divided by 2. Here first it evaluates the multiplication because it's coming first. So 3 into 4, that is 12. Afterwards it go to the slash, it gives 3.0. Afterwards plus, then the minus, right? But because same precedence follows the only the right to left precedence only. See different examples. In this example, it gives the precedence to the bracket. First of all, it gives precedence to bracket, then it going to a multiplication, because here the multiplication and division both are there, but it give precedence to left to right, so that it first evaluate the multiplication, then it evaluates the division, afterwards it gives the minus symbol. Clear? In the third example, see, the same thing is going on here also, but it follows the Bodmas rule, that is, first solve the bracket. Okay, that is 4 minus 6. It evaluates first, that gives the minus of 2. Okay, then it gives the precedence to multiplication, because it coming first on the left hand side. Clear? Afterwards, it evaluates the division. Okay, so the result is giving by the left to right and highest to lowest precedent. Hope everyone understand properly.